Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to earn money online without investment. Well, before we start this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Now, as we know, internet users are increasing day by day. So online job opportunities are also increasing. Here are top 10 work from home jobs that can help you to earn money online without investment. Start YouTube channel. Create Instagram page. Create Facebook page. Data entry. Become video spokesperson. SEO jobs. Start doing web designing. Become app designer. Become a blogger. Become virtual assistant. You can find these jobs on some best freelancing websites by clicking on link below in video description. Now it's enough for today. I will meet you next time. Till then, bye-bye.